Hey guys, it's your girl Alicia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey! I feel like intros are the worst part for videos. Like they set the tone, and if it's like gay, it's like weird, and if it's not, like, I don't know, it's weird. But anyways, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's obviously me, Alicia, and in today's video, I'm just gonna be pretty much answering some frequently asked questions about myself. So yeah, if you've ever asked me a question and I've not answered, or there was something that you wanted to know, you may find out about it in this video, so stay tuned and continue watching.
Baby, this is what you came for.
All right, first question. I'm just going off of this off the top of my head because I know pretty much what people ask me all the time. Number one question is where you live. Now, when I get this question, it's normally on my Jamaica vlogs. So I don't know how to answer that. It's like, where do I live when I'm in Jamaica, or where do I live like permanently? Permanently, I live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Yes, I am Canadian, partially. And then in Jamaica, I am from Montego Bay. So I'm a Montagonian and I'm a Torontonian. Yeah. So yeah, I hope that answers all y'all questions and that does not confuse you guys in any shape, size, or form. The next question that I get is, yes, I am. It's so funny because when I posted, I can't remember what video it was, one of my recent, I think it was a vlog, somebody was like, whoa, you're in one? Like, I'm that good at hiding it? Like, what? Not that I'm hiding it, but, you know, like, I don't really want to put too much of that part of my life out there, so, you know. So, yeah, I was so proud of myself. I was like,
yes, girl, yes. You keep that shit private, girl, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Another question. Now I'm like running a blank. Like what? Okay, no. Another question is, what do you use to record your videos? Or what camera do you have? I have 0 cameras. I have no cameras. What I use is my cell phone. Your cell phone is a good camera. A lot of cell phones now have like pretty much same quality as cameras, like general like vlogging cameras or whatever the case may be. So if you're new to YouTube and you're wanting to start and you don't know what you need or whatever the case may be, use your phone. You know, use your phone to start up, and you know, later on down the line when you have money and you can invest in a good camera, then you can do so. I used to have a camera. I lost my camera, and since then I have not bought back a camera. I just don't have the greatest luck when it comes to electronics, and trying to save, something always comes up. So yeah, I haven't had that yet. So yeah, I'm trying to charge my other phone so I can answer the next frequently asked question, but that's not happening, so just gotta wait for that. Let me see what other questions are there. How old am I? 28? 27. Why am I rushing my age? I'm 27 years old. Dang. 28? Nah. Oh my god. 28. Okay. Anyways, it's not gonna turn on in time for me to show you guys, but a question that I always get asked is, what editing app do I use? I edit on my phone. I record on my phone. I produce my content all through my phone. So all of these videos that you guys have been seeing have been created on a cell phone, edited on my cell phone, and produced to YouTube on my cell phone. Yes, it is possible. The app that I use, I absolutely love, is Cyberlink Power Director. And yes, you get that on your phone. And I really wish this would turn on so I could show it to you guys. But if I can find a link to any of the videos that are showing you guys how to use the app, I definitely will. Cyberlink Power Director is very affordable. And you can either get it onto your computer or you can get it onto your phone. I'm not sure about iPhone, if you can use it. I'm pretty much sure you could probably use it on your iPhone. I have an Android, so yeah, that's what I use, but I think you should be able to use it on your iPhone. And if not, there's like iMovie, there's so many different editing apps and stuff like that out there. It's just a matter of what works best for you. But I love Cyberlink Power Director, so check it out. I would check it out. Check it out. Am I Jamaican? Yes. Was I born there? No, but my parents are from there. Everybody, 99.9% of my family is Jamaican. Like, I'm pretty much there all the time. I'm Jamaican. I'm Jamaican. Like, I'm Jamaican. That's what it is. I don't know anything Canadian except for where I live. That's pretty much about it. And poutines and ketchup chips and snow. Yeah, like that's pretty much it. Other than that, everything is oxtail, jerk chicken, curry goat, curry something, curry chicken bok, breadfruit, yam, potato, Irish sweet, saltfish, bully beef. Well, no, not bully beef anymore. But yeah, you get what I'm trying to, you know those ones? Like, I don't want people to get it twisted when I say I'm Jamaican. Like, I'm not a born Jamaican, but I'm Jamaican. Ethnic, like, I'm of Jamaican descent. You get it? Yeah, like, when I was growing up, I didn't say I was Canadian. Like, they said, what are you? Jamaican. Like, that's what I have. That's what I know. Like, I grew up in a Jamaican household. I only heard patois. Like, that's all that I know. So, yeah, shoot me. But that's what I am, and that's what I go by. Okay? Okay. What else? I think that's really about it. What other questions do I get on a regular? That's pretty much about it. So, pretty short video. I hope I answered any of your questions. If you have any other questions that I did not touch upon or I may have forgotten, please feel free to leave them down below and I will answer them in the comment section, or hit me up on Snapchat, send me a message on Instagram, send me an email. All of that will be in the next clip, or I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. One of my well, they don't know that they're going to be in my bridal party because I haven't done any of my proposals to any of the members in my bridal party yet.